person will post. For thine is the kingdom. Babe, please, I need your help in bringing down this blender since you don't want to go and get the veggies. I mean the vegetable in the camera. Babe, you need to hurry up. I'm going for practice by 4. Are you scared of it drying? It's supposed to be the light of this Bluetooth stuff. stand I'm using. Supposed to be a Bluetooth kind of this thing. Eh? It's supposed to be like a freezer.
I'm busting it keeps freezing.
Yes.
That's okay.
Now it's a cup. I can't finish it.
Did I buy bread?
For the akara?
Eh?
Is it for the akara? Good. And the strength, let it be. Let it answer. Let it go. And let it be. There we are, answer. So the clip before I plan to make akara. Now I usually make akara with dry beans powder. I decided to try fresh beans. My people, the akara is not akara in akara. Are people are ashamed to show the picture? I'm not ashamed, but I'm like, nah, I'm not doing this. So I'm going to turn it to moi moi. That's what I shall do. That's what I shall do. Testing the mic 1 2 1 2. Mic check, product check. It took out the sound. Oh, our phone is working. It's the mic that is not. Let me see what's different between these lights. Oh, Hey, who is this woman? Why? What happened? So we are going to prayer practice. I went to our house. So when I got to our house, she offered this. She rejected it. 7 and I go see.
The rice I brought there, she's actually a very nice person. So I also saw the portion I brought, and it was like, oh,
Portion control can never be me.
So she said, she can't do that. Okay. Have you eaten? She said no. Yes. She can't count the number of times she has eaten. Okay, that means you have more than once. Guys, guess what? This woman has taken only Gary.
Gary and
What
groundnut.
she cannot remember.
Gary, Jebu and groundnut.
Like, how can you take Gary and granola and say you are eating?
No other food trumps Gary and groundnut in this life.
She refused to take the same. But I'm paying sure because my stomach is filled up, so I can't actually take the same.
It's God that catch him. And that person is.
Okay, so we are going to practice.
I've not been to any choir practice in 7 years. My heart is doing boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom boom. But it is 7 years. I'm not talking 7 years. Yeah, come out to primary school. No, go to the primary school. Go to the secondary school.
Yeah.
But we bless God.
So, yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to the church. Please, guys, let me tell her to eat.
I'll eat now. What's there's no food.
That she's not hungry. I know it's a lie.
I'm not hungry.
Want to eat.
I'm not hungry.
Okay. Bye.
See you. It's not leader that can create content. No bag.